Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger SUV in a sleek and sophisticated black Current. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Included in your SE package is your heated steering wheel as well as your dual-zone climate control and your power sunroof to enjoy everything that the exciting road has to offer.
Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as the power liftgate and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors now. Put the keys into my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty and stylish interior. On the side here, you have your black trim with your power windows, your power locks. You also do have your orange contrasting stitching as part of the motif inside of your RAV4. You have your power adjustable side mirrors, your lane departure alert, as well as your heated steering wheel, your rear locking differentials, and your power liftgate. You have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and clean, as well as a power adjustable driver's seat. And there we're seeing that orange contrasting stitching again, and your stunning black leather interiors all throughout your RAV4, just to tie that class and style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. Go on, we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your RAV4, simply put your foot on the brake, hit that push start button with your smart key. Your dashboard's gonna light up here. You have your ambient lighting, which adds that red sporty touch to it. The low fuel warning is on. We'll close that warning on your multi-information display here. You also do have your setting options here for your Toyota Safety Sense features. Things like your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system. And you also do have your blind spot monitor, which does pop up on your side view mirrors. With your steering wheel mounted controls, you can turn on and off those alerts, as well as set the sensitivity of those sensors on the front of your RAV4. You also do have your volume control and 3 calling mode changers and voice command mounted on this side. And this button here activates your dynamic radar cruise control, which is part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You have your cruise control below, which you can set for that highway drive. And you also do have your automatic headlights plus fog lamps for convenience. You have a leather wrap steering wheel, which, as mentioned before, is heated. And on this side here, you'll see your LCD screen, which is open to your audio system right now. So you have your AM, FM radio, you have your Bluetooth audio, your Sirius XM radio, USB, and auxiliary input, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Opening up your applications as part of your SE package, you have your navigation system, very user-friendly system, so definitely come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. Over here, you can turn on and off your traction control. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here, a standard feature in all 2018 Toyotas to keep you and everyone important to you nice and safe. Below here, you'll see that you have your digital display for your climate control. You also do have your electronic automatic climate control, plus your air conditioning to keep everyone nice and cool. Got your push start plus your dashboard with that leather and contrasting orange stitching. Below here you will find your eco and sport drive mode, plus your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You have your heated mirrors, USB auxiliary input, and 12-volt DC charger. You have media storage below, cup holders, that black trim to finish everything up. On your dash here you also do have your sport drive mode, plus that leather trim on your shift knob and your parking brake. Inside your center console, top shelf for any smaller items, and inside plenty of space to store everything that you need. There's a nice leather finish on top of your center console, plus you have your open shelving unit for any media storage, plus you have your glove box with all the manuals you need to know everything there is to know about your RAV4 and to store anything else you need. plenty of style and functionality built right into your RAV4. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your SE. To activate that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there. And it should pop open for you. There you go. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your RAV4. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you have any larger items you need to carry. There you can see that your tonneau and cover installs nice and easy. You also do have a cargo lamp in there for visibility. You have some additional storage compartments underneath here where you'll find your tonneau cover storage plus your spare tire, your tools, and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You will be prepared. Now you do have your power liftgate activation button up there. You can also use your proximity key if you are walking away from your RAV4. You have your rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy, as well as your standard backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You have your chrome SE all-wheel drive badging, as well as your rock guards, your mud flaps to keep those rock chips down on your paint. As we take one more look at the back of your RAV4.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive SE. Built right into your RAV4 is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding in the ultimate comfort. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.